In this episode of Camping Co, we explore Meghalaya through the eyes of our lens. In today's episode, we are heading towards Nongriat, a place that is known for its crystal clear blue waters, double-decker route bridge, and one of the best trekking tracks of Meghalaya.
A lot of route bridge on this trip.
In my opinion, these bridges have to be one of the most collaborative, intimate relations that man has with nature.
Just about 30 minutes we've reached our spot. पानी कैसा है? कोल्ड डेली
Being in waters like this is an experience that cannot be expressed in words.
So it's been a fun day at Nongriat. We're almost winding up our day.
Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all our latest videos.